Every year, millions of people around the world watch the iconic crystal ball drop in Times Square. It's more than just a tradition. It's a symbol of fresh starts, hope, and unity. But how did this tradition begin? Why Times Square? And what's so special about this glowing ball? Today, we'll travel back in time to uncover the incredible story that started over a century ago. At the start of the 20th century, New York City was already a booming metropolis. In 1904, the headquarters of the New York Times moved into a newly constructed skyscraper on a square that didn't yet have its iconic name. The newspaper's owner, Adolph Ochs, wanted to do something grand to celebrate the new year. On December 31st, 1904, the square was officially renamed Times Square, and the celebration featured fireworks, music, and an enormous crowd. It was unlike anything the city had seen before. In 1907, Adolph Ochs decided to replace fireworks with something entirely new and breathtaking. An engineer named Jacob Starr designed the first ever New Year's Eve ball, made of iron and wood, weighing around 700 pounds, and illuminated with 100 light bulbs. At midnight, on December 31st, 1907, the ball descended from the flagpole atop the Times Tower, and the crowd erupted in awe. Thus, a tradition was born, one that would endure decades of change, war, and technological innovation. Over the years, the Times Square ball has undergone many transformations. In the 1920s, it became lighter. By 1955, it was made of aluminum, and in the 2000s, it was upgraded with energy-efficient LED lights. Today, the ball weighs over 5 tons, is adorned with 2,688 Waterford crystals, and shines with over 32,000 LEDs. Each year, the ball's design evolves slightly, adding new symbols and messages of peace, hope, and unity. Times Square has become a meeting point for the world. Every year, over 1 million people gather in the square, and billions more watch the event from their televisions and smartphones. It's more than just the ball drop. It's a moment of unity when, for a few brief minutes, the whole world holds its breath to welcome a brand new year, filled with hope. What started as a newspaper marketing stunt has transformed into one of the most recognized symbols of New Year's celebrations. How do you celebrate New Year's Eve? Maybe one day you'll find yourself in Times Square, counting down as the iconic ball drops. Share your thoughts in the comments, leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest stories.